Okay, hello, hope you're well. Today I'm going to use this video to explain, yes, the use of some adjectives. Adjectives which finish in ed and adjectives which finish in ing. So there is a difference between these two kinds of adjectives, yes, and adjectives in general have these two forms, yes. You can say interested or interesting according to the context in which you are using that adjective, for example, yes. So I'm going to show you a PowerPoint to illustrate examples and uses, okay? Okay, so ing and ed adjectives. We use adjectives ending in ing to describe objects or persons. Yes, you can describe things or people. On the other hand, we use adjectives ending in ed to describe emotions, how we feel. Yes? Look at the photo. It says the students are bored. In this case, we are referring to people. Yes, the students are bored. But the class is boring. Yes, this is how the class makes me feel. The class is boring. Yes, it causes that effect. And I feel, or the students feel, bored. Okay? The students are interested. They are raising their hands. Yes, the students are interested. And again, this is about people and how they feel. On the other hand, the class is interesting because it's causing us to feel like that, okay? Look at this one. The family is excited. This is how they feel, yes, and again, it's about people. The movie is exciting. The movie is an object, a thing, yes? So it caused me being excited, yes? The movie is exciting. My holiday was relaxing. Yes, when we say holiday, we are not referring to people, but to things. Yes, I felt really relaxed. I felt, yes, I am a person. So, to summarize, we use adjectives ending in ing to describe objects or people or persons. Yes, we can describe both. Okay, a person can be interesting, yes, because it made me feel like that, yes, or a book can be interesting, yes. So we can refer to people or to objects. We use adjectives ending in ed to describe emotions, yes, only for people because the things cannot feel, yes. So this is the main difference, yes. When we use ed, yes, it's how a person feels. Yes, ed is for a person, only for people, while ing is for people or objects. Yes, we use ing to describe, yes, an object or people, yes, and the feeling they give. Yes, we use ed to describe emotions people feel. Okay, so ed is only for people. Okay, so I hope this helps. Yes, we have these two different adjectives. Yes, and when we have an adjective finishing in ed, we will probably have the same adjective with ing. Yes, relaxed, relaxing, interested, interesting. What you have to pay attention to is to the thing being described. If it is a person, it's going to finish with ed, yes, or ing if that person causes the emotion. Yes, if it is an object, we are going to use ing. So now I'm going to show you, yes, the activity you are going to do for next class. In this activity, yes, the first exercise is on vocabulary, ing or ed adjectives. And you will have to read the sentences and underline the correct alternative. Yes, you need to decide whether you're going to use the ed adjective or the ing adjective. Let's do the first one together. It says, in 3 days, we cycled 250 kilometers. It was really Exhausted or exhausting? Yes, this is an activity, not a person. So we are going to use ing. Yes, the activity was exhausting. Ing. Yes, if you are referring to the person, you can say, I feel, yes, or I felt exhausted because of the activity. Okay, but in this case, number one is exhausting. So you're going to circle or to underline the correct alternative in number one. Then in B, number 1B, you have to find adjectives in exercise 1A, in the previous exercise, to match the definitions. So you have definitions and you have to choose the correct adjective from the sentences in number 1A, yes? And then you're going to read, yes, it says reading, the text is, yes, at the end of the document, yes? So you have this text about stress, yes, and how you take control of stress, yes? And you are going to read an article about why people get angry and what happens, yes? Getting angry, being stressed. Before you read, number the events in the box according to categories 1 to 3 below. Yes, we have 3 categories: reasons, consequences, and solutions. Yes, and then you have different situations. You start to shout. Yes, that is a consequence of being angry. You are irritated with someone. That is a reason you get angry. Yes, so you have to read these things, yes, these situations, and you have to decide if they are reasons, consequences, or solutions. And finally, it says about you, what do you do when you feel angry and what things make you feel angry? This is your opinion, okay? Yes? So, if you have any doubts, as usual, you can contact me on Classroom, yes, and send me a message, okay? And I will answer as soon as possible. Hope it helps and hope you're well. See you.